information related to periodic table. Now, why required to give the nomenclature of element more than 100 atom number containing? Before this, different country discovering elements, and without having any proof, they claim that this element was discovered by us. They also give the name of element to give the honor of scientist who discovered the element, or name of country, or name of state. But when 104 number element having two different country claimed that 104 number element have discovered by us, American country or America said that 104 number atom we have discovered. Soviet Russia claimed that 104 number element we have discovered. American scientist gave the name also, that was Rutherfordium. Soviet Russia gave also the name of 104 atom. It is Kurchotavium. Soviet Russia claimed the name of element number 104, Kurchotavium. American claimed the 104 number atom, it is Rutherfordium. To give the honor, Nobel Prize winner Rutherford. IUPAC interfere between this country. IUPAC said that give the authentic research related to any element discovered by you, and when we confirm that this discovering is perfect, and we will give the name. If it was considered that this element is discovered by particular this country, that country can give the name. But before you give the name, we will check it, is it correct or incorrect. So IUPAC has given one system to give any element name. He give the 0 to 9 digit and name of 0 to 9. For 0, it is nil. For 1, it is un. For 2, it is bi. For 3, it is tri. 4, it is quad. 5, it is pent. 6, it is hex. 7, it is sept. 8, it is oct. 9, it is n. Then give this name to 0 to 9, and then em suffix is attached to unnamed element. If name is not decided, claim is not proved, IUPAC has given one method to give name of any element which was not claimed by any country. Suppose we are having atom number 101, then what will be the name of 101? 1 means what? Un. 0 means what? Nil. 1 means what? Un. Un, nil, un. And em suffix is attached, then 101 number name will be un, nil, un, em. Un, nil, un, em. if we are having atom number 102, what will be the name related given by the IUPAC according to the digit 102? 1 means un, 0 means nil, 2 means by, suffix attach ium, un nil bium. That is the name of IUPAC given, which is not discovered or claimed by any country. So I have given 101 to 18. You have to follow according to this method. I am giving just 101. Suppose what will be the name of 101? Then 1 is what? Okay, un. 0 means what? Nil. 1 means what? Un. And IUM attached. Then it is name un, nil, unium, and symbol is the first alphabet in small word, that is U. Un, nil, unium. This is the symbol of this digit, or this is un, nil, unium. Un, nil, unium. U and U. I think so. That will be the symbol, like that. You follow this method. If atom number 105, what will be the name according to IUPAC? 1 means un, 0 means nil, un nil, 5 means pent, un nil pent, ium suffix attach, un nil pentium, 105. So you are given digit 120, you are given also name. 0 means nil, 1 means on, 2 means by, 3 means try, 4 means quad, 5 means pant, 6 means egg, 7 means sept, 8 means of, 9 means n. And first letter is the symbol on, having 0 means nil means n, un means u, b means by, means b, tri means t, quad means q, pent means p, hex means h, sept means s, oct means o, and n means e. Same symbol will not repeated. This is the method given by the IUPAC to give the nomenclature which was undiscovered, which was not claimed. Now, some elements after 101 or after 100 number claimed